Okay children, good morning. So here we are continuing our lesson of adverbs and degrees of comparison. Okay, page number 128, 129, 130 of your grammar chest. See, adverbs of degrees. Adverbs of degree indicate the intensity of action and answer the question how much. They are placed before the adjective or the adverb. The story was very scary. She is quite fast in calculating sums. The cuckoo sings very sweetly. In sentence A, the adverb of degree very modifies the adjective scary. In B, the adverb of degree quiet modifies the verb fast. Whereas in sentence C, the adverb of degree very modifies the adverb sweetly. So adverbs of degree may modify a verb, adjective or another adverb. Other adverbs of degrees are enough, fairly, almost, extremely, nearly, only, to and hardly. Now adverbs of frequency. Adverbs of frequency indicate how often an action takes place and answer the question how often. They are usually placed before the main verb or after the helping verb. He rarely visits the museum. Now adverb of frequency is rarely, verb is visits. Rita often helps her mother in the garden. Adverb of frequency and main verb is helps. Often is the adverb. Sneha is occasionally late for school. Helping verb is helping verb or auxiliary verb is and frequency verb is occasionally. Other adverbs of frequency are sometimes, every time, seldom, usually, once a month. Adverb phrase, okay, relative adverbs. The relative adverbs are words like where, when, why and so on. They modify a word and refer back to a thing or person that the pronoun refers to. They function as adverbs and as conjunctions also. I cannot find the house where my aunt lived earlier. She cannot recollect when she booked the gas refill. They came home, they came here whenever they are free. They come here whenever they are free. In the above sentences, where, when and whenever are relative adverbs. Now separate the following adverbs and write them in the different columns. This I will fill for you and send you. Okay, now page number 129. Use appropriate adverbs or adverb phrases to fill in the blanks in the sentences below. This also I will fill for you and you have to copy down. Now interrogative adverbs. Interrogative adverbs are used to ask questions. Words like how, where, when, how many, how much, how often, how long, why and so on are used for asking questions about time, place, manner, quantity, reason and frequency of an action. They usually come at the beginning of a sentence. Here all are given. So, where did the children go for picnic? Where was the building constructed? How is the girl performing in academics? When will the meeting be held? How well do you know her? How often do you go shopping? These are given place, manner, time, degree and frequency. Now exclamatory word adverbs. Exclamatory adverbs express degree or extent in exclamations. How and what are exclamatory adverbs? How beautifully she danced. What a lovely view. Now adverbs of affirmation and negation express assertion or denial. Assertion means yes and denial means no. She will definitely come. Now we have to fill these also. So I will be filling and sending you. Now page 130. Yeah. Adverbs of manner, place and time are placed after the verb. If it is intransitive, And after the object, if it is a transitive verb, the man laughed heartily. Intransitive, this is adverb. She wrote the letter hurriedly. So transitive verb is wrote, object is letter, and adverb is hurriedly. Now position of adverbs. The position of an adverb in a sentence determines the meaning. She immediately made a plan to go to Haridwar. She made a plan to go to Haridwar immediately. See, both the ways we can use. Now understand properly. In sentence A, the plan was made immediately. Whereas in sentence B, she immediately wanted to go to Haridwar and planned accordingly. So, adverbs of manner, place and time are placed between the subject and the verb. If the verb consists of one word, if it is only one word, okay? Now example, she always recited the poem well. Adverbs can come in three positions. At the beginning of a sentence, in middle of a sentence, close to the verb, or at the end of a sentence. Here the examples are given. Soon the girl returned to the hostel. Soon at the beginning. The girl is gradually adjusting to the new place in the middle. Now she occasionally visits her local guardian's house. Occasionally. She will visit their house again at the end. Now in sentence A, all of you see your sentence A is an adverb and is placed right at the beginning of the sentence. In sentence B, gradually is an adverb and is placed between the helping verb is and the main verb adjusting. If the verb consists of more than one word, is more than one word, no, is adjusting. Adverbs are put after the first word. If there is no auxiliary verb, helping verb, okay, then the adverb comes before the main verb as in sentence C. The adverb occasionally precedes the main verb's verb visits. An adverb of time may be placed right at the beginning of a sentence for emphasis. Today we will visit the museum. Recently she won the Best Speaker Award. If the verbs are different forms of be, am, is, are, was, were, will be, the adverbs are placed after the verbs. Ganesh is never rude. The trainees are always early. Okay children, now next I will do in the next period. So till here we have completed, and whatever PDF I send, please copy down in neat and clean handwriting. Okay, bye.